The Chrysler commercial side entry fold-out wheelchair accessible vehicle has been a cost-effective workhorse product for paratransit providers and transportation services. The side entry fold-out has all the ADA compliant features of the Dodge Caravan, but with 15% more cabin space for easier maneuverability, more seating positions, plus enhanced space at the toe pan for wheelchair footrests. The new conversion also features the much more durable thermoplastic front, side, and rear flares to absorb minor impacts while protecting the exterior look of the vehicle, an LED spotlight package for the ramp and cabin, as well as an easy access footrest for rear seating adds to the overall ease of use for both operators and passengers. The Chrysler commercial side entry fold-out comes standard with an easily removable front passenger seat with wheelchair securement positions in the front and mid-row. Some standard features include ADA, FMVSS, and CMVSS compliant 7-passenger vehicle with optional aftermarket second row 2-passenger folding bench seat, 60-inch floor-to-ceiling at center of van, 30-inch wide manual ramp with 1,000-pound capacity and swing-out feature for ambulatory access. OEM driver and passenger side power sliding door providing 56-inch vertical opening, ADA compliant. Passenger door provides clear opening width of 31 inches. For more information about this or any vehicle offered by the Busani Mobility Team, contact your local office and speak with a mobility specialist today.